What's up, y'all? It's your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. So, y'all, we have been leading up to this unboxing for the past several videos. So, the fact that it's here, I am just really excited. We are unboxing this together, so I'm really I'm excited and nervous because the last unboxing that we had like this was an absolute fail. If you're not seeing that video, I'll leave a link, or I'll leave the card right here so you can check that out. But I actually ordered this from the store and not a third-party store. I ordered it from the Gucci store, not a third-party store, so hopefully we don't have no problems. So it came really fast. I mean, it came in 2 days. Okay, even though it was coming from Italy, it came in 2 days, so I'm so excited. It's literally, we're like literally doing this together. As you can see, hasn't been tampered with anything. So let's go ahead and go. I don't even know where, oh, it looks like I can just maybe tear it from right here. That didn't work, y'all. There you go. I'm sorry that this keeps. So here we are. This is what it looks like as soon as you open up the box. And it looks like you get this little bag with it. Y'all, look at this wrapping though. It's the wrapping for me. Hold on. All right, y'all, my bad. I had to hurry up and take the thumbnail before I unwrapped it. So, I mean, look at this. This is so cute. There's also, it looks like a little card here, which looks like my receipt. And then says, thank you. We look forward to assisting you again at Gucci. I feel so special. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead. Open this bad boy up. Okay, so in the box here, and this is what we got, y'all. I can't believe I finally got it. So first things first, I do want to say that there is 3 sizes. There's this size, a smaller one, which I think is like 2 centimeters. This one is the 3 centimeter one, and then there's the 3.7 centimeter one. I decided to go ahead and get the 3 centimeter one because the other one just looked extremely too big, and the one below it looked just way too small. I got it in a size 65, which looks so small, but majority of all my pants, I wear high-waisted. Like literally, like all my pants, skirts, like everything is high-waisted. That's just my style. That's just what I've liked. I've been like that for years. So I got a 65. Hopefully it fits. I will show y'all measuring and styling tips in a different video, but this is just the initial unboxing. This is what we got. I will go ahead and try it on really quick though, to see if we went with the right size. And of course, I got the reversible one. I've been wanting this belt for a while, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into that in a little bit, but let's just try it on first. So we'll try on the black side since we have on black. Also comes with like a little thing over the knob. Oh yeah, that looks like that goes through there, Angelle. Yup. that fit perfectly. And there's one hole here and one hole on the other side. Yep. Y'all, I am so excited. Like, that looks great. Like, yes. Oh, man. Okay, so let's talk about this for a second, right? Because this belt was $494. That's a lot of money, but we're going to talk about it. Hold on. So, I have been wanting this belt for a while now. For a while. And I just could not. I was like, yo, I'm not spending $500 on a belt. Like, that's just that's only one color that I could only wear one way, right? So, in me looking and me doing my research, because I get it, all the bloggers, all the YouTubers, they're like, don't get the Marmont, it's played out, it's played out, it's played out. Girl, I don't care about none of that, okay? I don't care if it's trending, I don't care if it's played out. I like what I like, and I like the things that are going to fit my style. That's it. That's just it, on period. So, but still, it was more about the money. So recently, I have been wearing my Coach belt nonstop, right? And one of the things that I love about this belt so much is that it's reversible. One of the things I hate about this belt is the color of reversal. Like, it's brown and brown. I feel like it's like it serves multiple purposes, but at the same time it really doesn't, because I would kind of be like, it's similar shades, so I'm kind of wearing the same thing with it. You get what I'm saying? So when I saw this one, I was like, that's perfect. Like, I'm still spending the same amount of money on one belt, but it's a multi-purpose belt that I could wear two ways, because there's the brown of the actual like canvas logo, and then there's black. So I feel like that's like two birds, one stone. That did it for me. That did it for me. I was done. I was willing. I'm like, let's go. It's that one. And here we are today. Because let me take it off. Because again, the canvas side, which will go with your browns, go with your creams, go with your lighter colors, and then your blacks, which will go with your blacks. I mean, it's absolutely perfect. The only thing I wish it would have had, which some of them did come with, but this one didn't come with, is like the second like loop for the belt. But I mean, that's okay, girl. My pants have loops on them, or I could buy one or something like that, you know, not that big of a deal. But I am going to give you guys some styling tips in the next video, and I'm also going to show you in the next video how I chose the size that I chose. And it's really simple, but this is just my initial unboxing and my initial try on. And y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm actually going to be selling this one. Now that I got this one on my Poshmark, I don't necessarily feel like it makes sense to have two, you know, whatever. But yeah, y'all, so excited. Gorgeous. I mean, like, the Gucci detailing right there. And I did order this from the Gucci site. So yeah. So they do have this on the black side, and this only shows on the canvas side. Like, the Gucci right there only shows on the canvas side, but it is what it is. And it's just an instruction card here on the tag. But yeah, y'all, it's lit. It's lit. I'm excited. It's an early Christmas gift to myself, and I am elated. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you're picking up what I'm putting down, follow me over on Instagram at angelleslife, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.